Probably the best thing to do on an aluminum hood.
Sometimes you just gotta.
Version.
Sometimes you just gotta push down on it, you know?
Sometimes you just gotta fuck up your aluminum hood.
It's alright, it's my hood, it's not yours.
What's going on, guys? Another day. I don't know why, but I got a new phone because my phone broke, and my iCloud wasn't downloading some of the video from my last video that I was gonna upload before the 5 things I hate about my EVOX. So I'm just gonna start this video from whatever footage I had that actually transferred over. I did pick up my canards. They're on the car now. I have all that video. I just don't have the video of me actually going and picking up the canards and going to Tico's and getting the stickers. I don't know why, but oh well. But let's see what package I just got today. Do not bend. Okay. Let's see what it says. This guy did a fine job in wrapping it. VORTEX generator. Alright, it's APR VORTEX generator, carbon fiber. It's obviously used, and the guy that bought this, it was for the, I believe, the SSS model, and he had a cut to make it fit the antenna, which I'm, whatever. But I'm like the king of buying used parts. I hate, I like buying brand new parts. The thing is, like, it's just so expensive. Like, I got this for like more than half the price. And it has a few little, where's the dings on there? Right here. A few little dings, a scratch right here. Normal shit. Doesn't need to be re-clear coated, everything's good. Other than that, looks sweet. So, another fine addition to the Evo. I'm also going to, with this, I have the APR canards, APR splitter. I want to do the side skirts. I have the VORTEX generator. I want to do the diffuser and then the big ass wing. That's what I want. Obviously, I'm not going to do the wing with the stock body. I'm going to put Victory Function kit on there with the wide body in the back and then the fender cut in the front. That is my goal, but the way my bank account's set up, I got a checking and savings, and sometimes the savings can't transfer because I don't have the money for that. So slowly but surely. Like, I love these other YouTubers that like have like endless amounts of money, these kids with these Evo. Like this guy, I don't know if you guys watch him, Devin. I watch his channel. I like his channel. He's a cool dude. But this motherfucker, like, he's like a nice house with all this land. He has a bike. He has like 5 cars. He just gets parts every day. He's like, oh, today I'm gonna put a new motor in my car. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, yeah, it actually sucks about him though. My car is making 520 wheel horsepower on a stock block, stock head, and his motor blew with fully built, making 530 or whatever. So it's all in the tune, buddy. It's all in the tune. But I wish I had that kind of money just to fucking blow and show you guys a build, but whatever. I guess you guys just have to be patient.
That sounds so good.
Okay, basically this is held up by only 3M tape and 3M tape only. I am not going to glue this shit to my car. So it just goes just like this, just like that, boom. Get it on the body lines. So it's doing just like that. Obviously, you know, I gotta put the 3M tape on, but just showing you guys what it's supposed to look like. Pretty self-explanatory, doesn't take a rocket science. Okay, that's really pissed me off. What the fuck is this? Is this supposed to be like that? Okay, that's ignorant. Maybe it's supposed to be a little more. Alright, I'm confused. Okay, there we go. Got it. Alright, 3M tape's gonna hold that down like that. Boom. It's all level here. Sides over there. It's gonna take some finagling because it's used and it's been in the heat and shit like that. Ugh. There we go. Yep. I'll have it sealed, but just test fitting it now and it looks pretty good. Cool. So let me go get some 3M tape. I don't know if I have any, and seal this baby down. Okay, the reason why it wasn't sitting flush is because all this leftover glue from the previous owner is still on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna peel it off and then put brand new 3M tape on there and it should sit perfectly flush. Yeah. All right, all the glue slash 3M tape, whatever was on the adhesive, it's all off, nice and smooth. I'm gonna spray it down with some brake cleaner, get all the debris off this, make it all nice and smooth. And then Pico, is almost here, he's going to be dropping off some 3M tape for me so I can put this on. And yeah, so let's go ahead and clean this up. Great talk.
The tape costs like $4.
You don't got $4?
Tape costs $4, dude.
Yeah, I got my wallet upstairs. I'm gonna go put this VORTEX generator on. You wanna see?
Yeah, I'll go watch you put a sticker on.
What the fuck's that?
That's a good one.
Yeah, 10 billion miles away. Really?
I'm gonna record everything because I got followers now.
Oh, I'm gonna followers though. Just because everyone watches my video, not yours.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Joey 400th video, guys. He's almost to 1,000. We got to monetize his channel because he's the coolest cop.
Can't even monetize because I need 4,000 views, 4,000 hours or something like that.
Look at it. Rice out of his car.
What do you mean rice? It's carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber is rice on rice.
I know you're rice. You got fucking I don't even know what you got.
Baby shark on the back.
You have a fucking baby shark on the back. You have a fake NOS tank somewhere in there. All right, got 3M tape. Put this on. Basically, folks, you just you want to line it up just like this. Damn, am I gonna have enough?
Should be enough.
Razor blade.
30-pound test. You overshot that for a second, okay.
Wish I had a fucking knife.
You can just tear it. For all you need a knife.
seat it
Sitting down
before you
first.
pull it off. Pull off the sticker. Seat that. Boom, shakalaka. And put one here.
Oh, you leaking oil?
Okay. Me?
Yeah.
Huh?
Good one.
This. Boom. Shut up, dude. What are you laughing at?
I just realized how you can kill someone's footage.
How?
You have to cut that. Right?
That joke's on you when you try to do it.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh, well, then split this and then put it here.
Yeah. Half here.
Or just put it in the middle. Honestly, this is probably not. That's a fucking 30-pound sticker line. If you're gonna somehow generate, and it's pushing the air down, so it's not like lifting it or anything.
This looks... I don't have it in here. Well, this is not how you do it.
Well, just borrow some from this side. Right
I'm
here.
just gonna borrow some.
Yeah.
It's already seated.
It isn't, oh, it is.
Yeah, I didn't know you were gonna buy the fucking
That was
the Mickey Mouse fucking size.
the biggest size they had, kid.
Alright, I'm gonna end that video. I think I've seen stuff.
I had to rig it a little bit, so it ran out, but this should be good. Covers all points of contact. Hopefully it sticks and doesn't fly off. Like that one wing video, that shitty ass wing that was just fucking flew.
Craftsmanship that he has with 3M tape over here. Right. No, it goes the other way. Put it the other way. Backwards. Got one shot. One opportunity.
Don't worry, don't help me. You know, I got it. I'll line it up on both sides. Alright, that's good. Line down, push down.
The best thing to do on an aluminum hood.
Sometimes you just gotta push down on it, you know?
Sometimes you just gotta fuck up your aluminum hood.
It's alright, it's my hood, it's not yours.
You need a roof.
Yeah, nice hood.
Look at that. Perfecto, hasta la peto. Doesn't mean anything, it's fake Spanish. But there we go. It's pretty even. I like it. The heat will form it a little more, but like this one rivet right here. It's like on it, but it's not, which is kind of annoying. Gucci Mane. Alright. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this ceramic coating on. 9H Nano. Pretty good. You can get it off, I got it off Facebook. But it's supposed to be really good. It's gonna protect it from sunlight. And that. Let's put it on. Basically put this side in, down, fold it, just like so. And then you pour 3 drops on here and it'll cover that whole VORTEX generator.
Yeah. The whole VORTEX generator.
So hold on one second before you take a picture. See the before. There's it's not gonna fix the scratch obviously, but see how kind of like dull it is. All right, as you guys can see, look at all the shit that came off of that. I did clean it before, and this stuff just does miracles. Look at that, look how shiny it is now. You can see all that shit right there, look at that. But highly recommended. I put it on my canards, keep them safe, secured from the sun, and overall, I like it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, please push that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe for more. Also, if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.